Deputy Director for Research and Development of close-joint company IKAR Scientific Research Center. We work in Ijevsk. Our company was established in 1990 to solve a number of fundamental problems in the field of resonant action, of field of nonlinear physical and biological systems. This is a nuclear effect that we discovered in 1974 conducting research in Sverdlovsk. We proved that, in fact, theoretically experimental for macrobodies, it is possible to create selective traps in which you can hold electrons, atoms, neutrons, macrobodies in resonant condition. Even then, they said that it was a breakthrough for nanotechnology because you can hold individual electrons, atoms, sort them, lay them on a board and get actually molecular technology. Below we have a coil with a variable electromagnetic field outside a permanent magnet. There is a zone in which a magnetic dipole enters the resonant zone. We say that this is oscillating, and if it comes closer it goes down. This is a zone of stable resonance arises. This is a layout that clearly illustrates the possibility of resonant capture. Moreover, it doesn't matter which fields. You can take an electric field, you can take various hydraulic fields, and you can also make such system of resonant capture. Why is it interesting? This is for the separation of powders, monopowders of small sizes, and you can also separate individual microorganisms and cells. And before you is a nuclear installation which is mass-produced in the world, and there are absolutely no analogies. This installation allows you to contactlessly activate various liquids. In particular, the infusion solution is activated in this installation now, and as a result, liquids are activated inside the infusion solution. It goes into metastable non-equilibrium state from the cluster structure. In America this is done, and now it comes for a drop into the blood. As a result, we see now just activated liquid on the display screen. This is used ultrasound tomograph. Here these clusters, luminous objects, according to calculation, the temperature here is very high, and they have magnetic radiation. They are the cause of special properties, abnormal properties of water. The most interesting thing is that in this installation you can activate not only infusion solution, but also beer, milk, juices, because usually freshly prepared juice has a negative redox potential. And all the liquids that you drink, they have a positive redox potential, which means they are acidic. Therefore, you need to use fluids with negative redox potential. They are antioxidants. This is a protection of your body. And on this installation, you can contactlessly make fluids with powerful biological properties. And this is a pretty good system. What does it consist of? For example, you take ordinary Moscow tap water, connect up to the water supply network that comes to resolve osmosis system, which from dirty water gets super clean distilled water, but distilled water cannot be drank. Next comes the actuator, controller, display. It is controlled, and there are sensors that constantly monitor this water. Water is ionized, activated, and the output is water from plus 2000 to minus 3000 millivolts. You can processing begins to normalize and in descent decreases. Next is minolyzer using an electronic automation system. Calcium, magnesium, selenium and fluoride ions are added to the water. And this device has incorporated 3 Russian best technologies. And next is a little faucet. There are sensors here. What is a traffic light? Green light, you can go. The first sensor indicates that the water is clean, and if it starts to blink red, then you need to change the filters already. The second sensor indicates that the water is ionized, negatively charged, and the third sensor says that the minolyzer is working and you is the right conversation. Moreover, you can individually set the degree of charge mineralization, pick up for yourself. Our center invites everyone to cooperation, scientific and technical units, academic units, factories, so that we together get out of this crisis.